Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to change your mobile number on Amazon. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe and notification turned on to our channel because we post content like this. So let's start today's video without any further ado. So first go to your browser and type amazon.com. Let me do that. Amazon.com and press enter. And after coming to this website, you should log into your account, and after logging into your account, click on this thing over here and it's gonna take you to your account. And after coming into your account, you can click on login and security, and on login and security, enter your password to confirm it's you. After confirming it's you by entering your password, on your mobile number there is add, because I haven't added any mobile number, but if I have already added a mobile number, there should be a edit button, and after clicking on edit button, there should be a change mobile number option over there, and you can change your mobile number from there. So that's basically how you change your mobile number on Amazon. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe and notification turned on to our channel because we post content like this. And comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'll be signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.